This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Holly Bryant. Attention investors. Adorable 3-bedroom/2-bath 1-level home with current tenants renting until March 31, 2023. This house is in excellent condition and has been very well maintained. Offering an open floor plan with split bedroom layout, oversized kitchen with island, walk-in closets, a fenced-in yard, and all in a super convenient location. There is no HOA and the current monthly rent is $1,895. Financials for 2021 and YTD 2022 are available for buyers, agents, and listing documents. This is a great investment with fantastic income potential and dream renters. Showings beginning Wednesday, July 13th. For more information, review the details below or contact Holly Bryant at 865-693-1111.